Get ready to uncover the hidden wonders of Hong Kong on an unforgettable, off-the-beaten-path adventure. Leave the tourist hordes behind as you dive into a day of local delights and undiscovered gems. Your journey starts in the vibrant neighborhood of Tai Hang. Wandering its narrow alleys, you'll find charming cafes serving up fragrant local brews and delectable egg waffles. Energized, you'll head to the hidden gem of Lin Fa Kung Temple, adorned with beautiful ceramic figurines and colorful incense coils swaying in the breeze. Next, you'll venture to the charming village of Lei Yuman, where time seems to stand still. Gaze upon traditional fishermen's houses, and delight in a seafood feast at a family-run restaurant. Enjoying the day's catch straight from the sea, as the afternoon sun warms the city, you'll head to the hidden TSC Wan Shan Promenade. Away from the crowds, you'll marvel at panoramic views of Kowloon Bay and the stunning skyline, finding serenity in a tranquil oasis amid the bustling metropolis. Continuing your venture to the serene Nan Lian Garden. This traditional Chinese garden offers a harmonious escape with its meticulously landscaped ponds, bonsai trees, and stunning pagodas, a true hidden gem. By now, your taste for exploration has been whetted, and you'll take a stroll through the labyrinth of Sham Shui Po street markets. Discover vibrant textiles, electronic gadgets, and exotic snacks while engaging with friendly locals. For a cultural treat, head to the Sam Tung UK Museum, a perfectly preserved ancient walled village. Transported back in time, you'll gain insight into Hong Kong's rich history and rural traditions. As the sun begins to set, find yourself atop Devil's Peak, a lesser-known viewpoint for an awe-inspiring sunset. Watch the sky transform with hues of orange and pink, casting an enchanting glow over Victoria Harbour. To end this perfect day, indulge in an intimate dinner at a local Dai Pai Dong, an open-air food stall serving authentic Cantonese dishes. Engage in lively banter with the friendly chef, who'll ensure you leave with a full belly and a warm heart. As you bid farewell to this extraordinary day, you'll realize that exploring Hong Kong's hidden treasures has been a revelation. This adventure off the beaten path will forever be etched in your heart, and you'll cherish the memories of the real Hong Kong, a city of unexpected wonders and authentic encounters.